All right, I had these cases sent out to me from SUPCASE. We got 3 cases to review on top of the Galaxy Note 9. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech, sneakers, and anything creative. Let's do it. We're gonna start off with the 2 small ones, then we'll get up to this big boy right here, so let's go. All right, now these are protective cases. These are minimal protective cases, which is what I love. Got the blue version of the Galaxy Note 9. Let's see what that bad boy looks like inside it. Bam. Very easy to put on. Let's check the buttons. Buttons are very responsive. You got some lip raise over here, as you can see right there. Bam. Definitely your screen is protected. I like the material of this. It's kind of smooth though right here. You kind of gotta be careful because that's still kind of a slippery texture. But for the most part, I love these cases that have these type of hints on the bottom. It's a very common design. And these are very affordable, minimal cases. And I always love that. Anything that's affordable, minimal. And it's gonna have some protection on it. You got your corners protection and your front put down protection. So pretty simple, pretty basic, looks pretty good. That's their black version of that. You know, these are all military standard drop protection. Pop that out. Oh, now for you clear case lovers, for you flossers, the swag, you know, you want your swag to be out there. You want everyone to know what you rocking under this case. This one would be for you. Bam. Keep your blue. Get it in its true form. Woo! I always love that sound. There's one on the inside too. Just go ahead and remove that as well. Let's get the true transparency effect. Let's get the Note 9, the white down, proper respect. And let's throw this bad boy on here. Now this is a clear see-through. Let everyone know what you got going on. Buttons are responsive on here. Bam. And bam. There's it. So for those of you who want a clear case, kind of mixed with a black case, protection on those corner drops, protection on the front drop, affordable, this one might be the one for you. Let's go on to the next one. Now this is the big boy. This is gonna be the real protective one. This is taking it to the next level of protection. And this one has a built-in screen protector on it. So if you really getting that full-on protection, no holds barred, your Note 9 is going to be safe inside of something like this. Now, was there plastic? Oh, there is plastic on this one. Let's get the plastic off here so we can get the true transparency. Bam. So this one has a more hard shell backing right here, which as you can see comes off, and then you got like the same material as these other ones. Like, so basically you got like this one right here, literally, like you look like you got this inside of this hard shell with a front screen cover. Ultimate protection. It's more than likely what the feezy? Oh, y'all trolling, ain't y'all? Oh, maybe. Oh, okay, I see why. So, you're gonna place your phone in there. Your phone goes in there right away. Like, for a second, I'm like, hold up. Y'all trolling. I'm like, there's no way this is the case. But obviously, once you put this part in there, it's gonna be locked in. So, bam. Go ahead. So, I say you put your phone in this one first. All right, put your phone inside the screen front. Bam, then you take that, and we're gonna put that inside of here. And there you're gonna get your snug fit. Bam. Now, when I put this on my phone, I feel like I have nothing to worry about. I'm not gonna stunt. Now, as you can see from in the bevel area right there, this is a lot more of a bigger, bulkier case. You know, it's not the heaviest, but it does add weight to the Note 9. That's something to think about in comparison. If you don't mind that, and you just want a peace of mind, you just want to know that if your phone drops, slides or anything like that that you guaranteed the protection, this is probably the sub case you definitely want to get. All of sub cases are very minimal and affordable. I love doing affordable cases. You know, you don't always have to pay the top dollar. You can see from that concave right there that this adds some backing. This makes your phone a lot bigger. Just full, you know what I mean? But you guarantee, you know, you can just bam, bam, and you're not worried. If you're very clumsy, or if you're worried about protection, if you work in an environment where you need a lot of more protection, this would be the sub case for you. If you want a more minimal type of setup, these two would probably be the ones to go for. So super protective, minimalized protection. They're all protected, they're all drop military grade. So that is the SUPCASE lineup. Huge shout out to SUPCASE for sending me out these cases for review for you guys. I just want you guys to see what they look like on the phone. So if you're shopping them, you already know what you got. Now this one does cover up your Note 9 floss factor. The only thing you got going is that right there. But your phone is protected, and that's what matters a lot of the time. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Smash that like button, smash that sub button. I'll be back with another video. I got a ton more content coming on the Galaxy Note 9, so let's get ready. Let's go.